Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download and install VMware on Windows 11. VMware Workstation is a desktop virtualization software which allows you to create and run multiple virtual machines on a single physical computer. VMware Workstation Player is compatible with various operating systems including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, and it supports a wide range of guest operating system as well. So let's start the video. So the first part is how to download VMware on Windows 11. So head over to official VMware website, open the link given in the video description. Once you are on the VMware Workstation Player download page, click on Download for Free button. In the next page, you will see the latest version of VMware Workstation Player along with the download link. So this is the latest VMware Workstation Player. So click on Go to Downloads. So if we scroll down, you can see two options. As we are going to download VMware for Windows 11, so we are going to select the second option, which is VM Workstation Player for Windows 64-bit operating system, and click on Download Now. The download has started. It will take some time. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer. It's usually located in the Downloads folder, or double click on the file to run it. So if we open it, VMware installation wizard will now appear on your screen. Click Next. Take a moment to read the license agreement. If you agree, click on the Next or Accept button. So you have to click here and then click on Next button. Next, you will have the option to choose the installation folder. You can either stick with the default location or specify a different path. Select the appropriate option and click Next. We are going to keep things default, so click Next. In this step, you might be given the option to participate in the VMware Customer Experience Improvement Program. It's up to you whether you want to provide feedback or not. Select your preferences and click Next. Click Next. Again click Next and click on Install button. Installation will take some time. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish button. Now if we go to the desktop, we can see VMware Workstation Player icon here. Double click to open it. If you have the license key, then enter here, or else choose the first option, which is use VMware Workstation 17 Player for free for non-commercial use. So we are going to select the first option and click on Continue and then click on Finish. VMware Workstation Player is now successfully installed on your Windows 11 computer. This is the main interface of VMware Workstation Player. To create a new virtual machine, click on Create a new virtual machine. To create new virtual machine, you must have ISO file for that particular operating system that you want to install. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials.